So you might be in this really unfortunate situation where for some reason your AirPods are just not working within some phone calls that you may end up having. So this can be kind of a disadvantage. The first thing I'd recommend doing is making sure that your particular AirPods and your iPhone are connected. So make your way over into your iPhone settings or your Android settings, whatever you have. Go inside of Bluetooth and just make sure your Bluetooth settings and your Wi-Fi and everything are fully connected. Because if they're not, well, then that's going to be the number one problem you're going to run into. So make sure these two things are fully connected, and that once again is the first thing I recommend doing here. Now, if these two devices are connected, the next thing I recommend doing is that when you're making a call with somebody, right? So let's say I'm just going through and just calling myself here. Well, what you're going to want to do is put the AirPods inside of your ear. And the other thing you want to do is you want to tap on this speaker icon right here. So right here where it says audio, all you're going to want to do is you want to tap onto this audio option. And it's going to give you different options of basically choosing from. So you can choose your speaker, your iPhone, or you can choose your AirPods. Sometimes it might not automatically connect to your AirPods. Like for me, it's not automatically connecting. So what I have to do is I have to go through and click on the AirPods that I want. And that will go ahead and basically make it so then when I go through and use my AirPods, it'll actually work completely. And then I can listen to whatever I want to listen to from my AirPods from my phone. So that's another option that you have as well. If that's for some reason not working, you may want to double check your Bluetooth again. Try reconnecting your AirPods. Or you can even try turning it on or off your Bluetooth on your iPhone. So go inside of your iPhone, toggle your Bluetooth on or off, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it too. And like I said, for a lot of people, things like that may end up fixing it. So that pretty much covers it up there for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.